Good afternoon, Misfits and Dreamers. Bob here. It is the day before Thanksgiving. It's about 50 degrees here. I don't know if it'll do it again, but we had a thunderstorm in November. So I think the dry line, just because now it's raining, I think that was the front of the dry line we got the lightning with. So yeah, here we are in November with thunderstorms in upstate New York. So, there's a nice big cloud hanging over the top of that house over there. Oof. Yeah, that's the south storm. That's what's coming here. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard here now, guys. Now you obviously can see with the car and the rain blowing through it. So yep, here I sit. I'm sitting underneath the overhang of the van. But yeah, nice good old thunderstorm. So it just tells me and whatnot that the cold front is above the top of this and the bottom warm steering winds are out of the south. So yeah. So I'll hang out here a little bit longer, see if I can pick up any more lightning flashes for you guys. Yeah, now you can see the rain. And yep. So that was the front that just went through. Knew that was going to happen eventually. Well, they said thunderstorms today, so. Now comes the fun part, because within a few hours the wind will be kicking up like dust. There, you can see it better now. It's really raining. So that's the back end of the storm, guys. So for now, basically, we'll see what happens later on. If it gets bad enough, I'll come back out and film more. But in the meantime, this is what you'll get. So again, it's the Wednesday just before Thanksgiving, about 5:30. They warned us that we were going to end up with bad storms and the high winds up here. So have a great day, guys. We'll keep you informed.